Welcome to the Call Sign channel. Today we will see how AI is transforming the aviation industry. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made a significant impact on the aviation industry, improving safety, efficiency, and customer experience. Here are some ways in which AI is being used in aviation. Air traffic control. AI algorithms are used to assist air traffic controllers in monitoring and managing flights, reducing the risk of human error. This includes detecting potential mid-air collisions and directing planes to take evasive action. Flight optimization. AI systems are used to optimize flight paths, reducing fuel consumption and cutting down on flight times. This leads to cost savings for airlines and a reduction in carbon emissions. Predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems can analyze vast amounts of data from planes to predict and prevent potential failures, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Customer experience. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants are being used to improve customer service, allowing passengers to quickly and easily access information, such as flight schedules, boarding times, and baggage information. Security. AI-powered security systems are being used to detect and prevent potential security threats, such as suspicious behavior or items in passenger baggage. Overall, AI is playing a crucial role in the aviation industry, helping to improve safety, efficiency, and customer experience. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that the role of AI in aviation will continue to grow. AI is definitely here to stay, and the best way to move forward is to be aware of and adapt to the new technology around us. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updated aviation insights.